Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Ramchandra Barde. I am studying in B.SC second year, Adarsh College, Hingoli. Welcome to all in today's online seminar. The seminar is guided by SP Hatkar sir. Today I am presenting Bernoulli's equation, in which equation reduced to the linear form. Linear form of equation is dy by dx plus py equals to q. If equation are of the type dy by dx plus py equals to q into y raised to n, where p and q are functions of x. Equation 1 dividing by y raised to n, we get y raised to minus n dy by dx plus p into y raised to 1 minus n equals to q. Then multiplying by minus n plus 1, this equation becomes minus n plus 1 into y raised to minus n dy by dx plus minus n plus 1 into p into y raised to 1 minus n equals to q into minus n plus 1. Put v equals to y raised to 1 minus n, then dv by dx equals to 1 minus n y raised to minus n dy by dx. Therefore, equation 1 reduced to dv by dx plus minus n plus 1 into pv equals to q into minus n plus 1, which is linear in v. Taking one example to understand how to reduce differential equation into linear form. Dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equals to x square into y raised to 6. This equation dividing by y raised to 6, we get y raised to minus 6 dy by dx plus 1 by x into y raised to minus 5 equals to x square. This equation multiplying by minus 5, the equation becomes minus 5 y raised to minus 6 dy by dx plus minus 5 by x into y raised to minus 5 equals to minus 5 into x square. Put v equals to y raised to minus 5, then dv by dx equals to minus 5 y raised to minus 6 dy by dx. This value put in above equation, then equation becomes dv by dx plus minus 5 by x into v equals to minus 5 x square. Compare this equation with linear form of equation. Therefore, here p equals to minus 5 by x and q equals to minus 5 x square. Integration of p dx equals to integration of minus 5 by x dx equals to minus 5 constant. Integration of 1 by x dx equals to minus 5 log of x equals to log of x raised to minus 5. v into e raised to log of x raised to minus 5 equals to integration of minus 5 x square into e raised to log of x raised to minus 5 dx plus c, as v into e raised to integration of p dx equals to integration of q into e raised to integration of p dx plus c. v into x raised to minus 5, because of e and log of x, log cancel, equals to minus 5 integration of x square into x raised to minus 5 dx plus c equals to minus 5 integration of x raised to minus 3 dx plus c. v into x raised to minus 5 equals to minus 5 x raised to minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. v into x raised to minus 5 equals to 5 by 2 x raised to minus 2 plus c. This equation dividing by x raised to minus 5, then equation become v equals to 5 by 2 x raised to 3 plus c into x raised to 5. Therefore, putting value of v equals to y raised to minus 5. Therefore, y raised to minus 5 equals to 5 by 2 x raised to 3 plus c x raised to 5. Solution of given equation is y raised to minus 5 equals to 5 by 2 x cube plus c x raised to 5.